The next thing we might want to know is what is the total population and the demographics across the entire territory, across these three zip codes. To find that out, I need to configure my query tool, which is located in the toolbox. And you can access toolbox on the left-hand side, right below layers. So once you click that, we can click the query tool, which is the last option, turn the query tool on, and we can set the measurement units here, and I will set it to miles. And in this box where it says tool description, I can leave some instructions. So I will just write here, select 2 or more zip codes to summarize. Once you're done, click next. This will take you to the next setting option, which controls what layers you would like the query tool to be used on. So we need at least one layer. So I will click on for the option that appears, and a pop-up will appear. So I will set the layer name to territories. I will filter by value, and that's going to be territory name. And I can also filter by area or location, but that is already turned on. Once I'm done, I will click next. And I would like to view the results as a report. Once I'm done, I will click next, and I will add a report widget, a custom widget. And once I click that, a custom widget option will appear, and I will click the gear icon to begin building. There's some pre-filled information already there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to add my own. I'm going to add the total population. So I'll just click the total population option at the very top. Then I will select total households, the average of the median income measures across the zip codes, the average median age, and the average of the unemployment rate. I'm going to format that with a letter style and put in some text. To make it easier, I will write the names in full. So for the first one, I'll write total population, total households, median income, median age, and unemployment rate. So as you can see in the right-hand side in the preview section, you can see that compared to last time, it's a lot easier to read. You can see the total population, total households, and median income, etc. Once we are done, we'll click done, click save and exit. And there you can see that the query tool is activated. Now if I click the query tool and I choose a territory name, for example, Rocky River, I will select get results. It's going to select all the zip codes in the territory. Once that's loaded, I can view that as a table, so I can see the individual zip code data. I can also download that to a spreadsheet, or I can generate my own report. So if we click that, that will give me the totals across all 3 zip codes. So as you can see, this is the information of all 3 zip codes. There's a population of 103,000 people across those 3 zip codes, around 47,000 households, and a median income of 66,000, a median age of 42, and an unemployment rate of 4.3. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is set a name for my map. So what I will do is go to the Settings tab on the left-hand side, above Layers. I'll delete that and change the title to Cleveland Territories. We also have the option to write a map description, but for this tutorial we'll skip that part, but you can if you want to. Once we are done, we will click Save. Now I need to decide who can access this map. So what I'll do is go to the Access tab in the left-hand side below Toolbox. I want to make it hidden, so I'll click where it says Hidden. This means that I can share the map with other people without using a password, but the URL can't be discovered by any search engines. The final step is to put the map online. So what I'll do is hover to the Offline tab on the left-hand side. Click that and it will change to online. Next, we'll click the Share Map, which is right below, and I can email the link to the map to whoever needs it. And that is it for today. Thank you for your attention.